Well, good morning. It's John Neal here. It is Tuesday, 7th of July, 2026. And today I'm going into town to have a look at the works, the road works. They're going to build a new big roundabout at the back of Halfords, just away from the Justice Centre. You'll know what I mean. I'll put it on a map and you can see what's going on. Well, here's the map from the Warwickshire County Council website, and I can't always follow them exactly. They put all the new stuff on, what they're going to build, but the old things which are recognisable, like Dunelm and Halfords and whatever, they don't label them. So anyway, if you can make sense of it, basically it's a big island and changing direction of some of the roads in that area. But be perfect to have a look, just to record what is still there and see what progress they made. Right, let's go. The new roadworks that are being planned are going to have extra facilities for cyclists, but until they fix these potholes and this awful road surface here outside of the little store in the old Hinkley Road, it's absolutely awful. And it's just round the corner from here where I shed everything off the back of my bike not so long ago. Here's another example. Is it difficult to drive over, let alone ride a bike over? You have to swerve around all over the place to make sure you stay on. This dark rectangle here was the pothole that threw everything off my bike. Oh, and look, it's been fixed. Well, good for them. Then a bit further along, near the entrance to the school, this is the channel for the electric cable that went from the top of Higham Lane right down into the middle of town. They did resurface it, and then they had to resurface the resurface because the first bit, look, was a bit rubbish. While I'm talking about cycling provision. Cyclists over the side, look, have no cycleway over there. But this is on the railway bridge, look, going over towards town. But on this side of the road, there is one. But there's not one on the other side. What's the sense in that? I'm stopping here on the junction of Regent Street and what's this? Leicester Road, I think. Just have a... right, over there, look. That's the building which is going to come down. Oh look, and there's what is essentially an illegal scooter. Which I'm going to say is a great way of getting around. It's quiet, it's clean. Oh, there's a police car going down there. Mind you, the police station's down there. But they can do nothing to stop them. Oh, the provision for things like electric scooters and proper electric mopeds, basically, not electric bikes like this, is just way out of kilter. They just don't know what's going on. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, that building over there is going to be demolished to make way for a big roundabout just here. So I just want to go put the drone up and see what they've been doing already and have a view of what's there before it all gets knocked down. So it's a bit of a before and after view, and this is the before bit. I'm now outside the Warwickshire Justice Centre in Nuneaton. Here it is, look. which is a magnificent building looking down onto the town, and all that's going to be opened up. But that's another project in a way. What they've done here is close the road. There used to be a set of traffic lights here. Am I still on Regent Street? I think so. And it's all been closed off and work started. So here we are. The road will be closed until winter 26. That's something to look forward to. Right, I'm outside the Justice Centre. I love this. This old police lamp. Whoever decided to put that up, stroke of style, I would say. Right, so they've closed all this road off here. That used to be a car park. And interestingly, behind these trees, that used to be, well, I don't know, it was never used. It was just waste ground, and it's been like that and overgrown, I would say, for the last 15-20 years. Likewise over there, just nothing happened. So I have to say that as far as we're concerned as residents, the local council just moves so slowly. Well, they'll make one decision, then leave it, and then review it, and then they'll change the council and somebody else will cancel it, and backwards and forwards. It just goes on and on. So it's just terrible, really is. Anyway, they've finally got on with something, and they're going to improve this junction here. So as we look down the road here, that rather grand, if not a bit tired looking building, which was a cinema, that's going to be knocked down apparently, and so we're going to get a big roundabout over there. And meanwhile, I don't know why they've got to do all this work all the way along the road here. Maybe it will become apparent at some later date. So as I say, all I'm doing is taking a view of what is going on here and now, so that we can see what progress they've made and what it's going to be looking like before and after. Right. Trying to take the drone up and have a good look. They've closed all this road off here. That used to be a car park. So as I say, all I'm doing is taking a view of what is going on here and now, so that we can see what progress they've made and what it's going to be looking like before and after. Right, time to take the drone up and have a good look. Well, let's find our bearings. There's St Nicholas Church. And now we're looking along Vicarage Road. And this is the site where there's a church hall, I do believe. Then there's that patch of ground which seemed to have never been used. And then ahead of that is the area which was a car park. And on the left, where the post office sorting office was, that's all a pile of rubble now. And then there's another patch of greenery here which was never developed. I think for about 20 years. The white roofed building is Quick Fit, and then across the road there is maybe rather a grand looking building, originally a cinema, by the way, completely covered with solar panels, look, but that's going to be demolished altogether, and this is where this new roundabout system is going to be. I can reveal a secret now. This is a second edit of this video, and I think I'll put the map in completely the wrong place. I told you I couldn't read them properly. Anyway, I think the gym with all the solar panels on will probably be staying. And so now, for your amusement, we can just come back the way we came. And finally, pausing over Vicarage Road, looking back towards the centre of town, you can see this is all going to be redeveloped and opened out so we can see the river and enjoy the space a lot more. Looks like somebody had a set of coloured spray cans for their birthday. They've been having fun. Despite all this muck and noise and machinery, there's some rather pretty flowers around it. Look at this, lovely. That's rather a nice building. It is a pity it's got to come down. I mean, look at the work at the top there. Rather nice. Anyway, look, this is where it's all happening on this corner. I believe Quick Fit are going to stay. I've just come over here just to finish off and end the video here. So let's have a sharp eye open for the next few months and see what's going on. But it will be, I think, a pity to see that building come down. But there you go. Way of the world. Okay, you'll see me in the next one. Bye-bye.